In this exercise, we will learn the Vibrance option. It is a very simple and useful option to adjust skin tone, and we can adjust the saturation and tone very quickly. Okay, let's see how this option will work. Let's click on the adjustment layer, and here we can choose Vibrance. This is the Vibrance option. If I click and drag it to the right side, we can see that the color of the image in the skin is highlighted into colors. And if I move it to the left side, then the color is becoming more saturated. We can see every color in the image is more colorful, and the skin is more red. Also, if I decrease it, the image is now less saturated and less colorful. This option is the best option to adjust skin tones. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the hue and saturation option.